To use a Visa debit gift card on Xbox, start by making sure you have an Xbox account and are signed into your console. Next, go to the Microsoft Store on your Xbox and select the option to add money to your account. Choose the Add Money option and then select the option to use a debit card. You will be prompted to enter your debit card information, including the card number, expiration date, and security code. Enter the details from your Visa debit gift card, ensuring all information is correct. You may also be asked to provide your name and address, which should match the information associated with your Xbox account. Once you have entered your debit card information, review the details to ensure everything is accurate. If all information is correct, confirm the addition of funds to your account. The amount on your Visa debit gift card will be added to your Xbox account balance, and you can use it to purchase games, subscriptions, and other content from the Microsoft Store. It is essential to note that some Visa debit gift cards may have restrictions or requirements, such as activation or registration, before they can be used. Be sure to check the terms and conditions of your card to ensure you can use it on Xbox. Additionally, keep in mind that Xbox has a limit on the amount of money that can be added to an account at one time, so you may need to add funds in increments if your gift card balance exceeds this limit. To avoid any issues, make sure your Visa debit gift card is activated and has sufficient funds before attempting to add money to your Xbox account. Also, be aware of any fees associated with using your debit card, such as foreign transaction fees, as these may apply when making purchases on Xbox. By following these steps and considering these best practices, you can easily use a Visa debit gift card on Xbox to add funds to your account and purchase the content you want.